programmer guy is here, and we are gonna learn, I guess, Python. Yep, let's go with Python at the starting, and we will know how to learn it by, first go to terminal. For going to terminal, let's close it first. You have to, go to your Windows, this thingy, start your Windows, then type ter, minal. You will see this thing, terminal app here. Click on it, and your terminal will get open. You want to maximize it, or just minimize it, however you like it. Then after coming here, you just have to go to a folder in which you can create your projects. So here a folder is already selected, but if you don't want this, just go back by typing cd dot like cd dot. Again it will go back. Now it's in the C directory. Now cd dot will be in C directory only, because you have to select another directory. So for that you have to go to this PC, which will be this folder. Like here you can see this PC. You can just go to your PC by double clicking on this icon, and this will be open. Now here I have 5 directories, C, D, E, F and G. So I can select any one of them in which I want to create my project. So either you can do this thing by double clicking on it and creating a new folder like that, but better is to use terminal, because of course you are the programmer guy. So the programmer guy should use like this, like skill, So you have typed c.dd. To go back, like here it was, let's go up, wait, here as you can see this SR folder was selected. Now we typed c.dd, so cd dot, so it go to a back step, which is users. Now again we typed cd dot, so it went back another folder. So here's the C directory. If you want to create a new folder in C directory, just type mkdir and space, and then name whatever you want that directory to be like. But I want to change my C directory to E, so I will type C space E and colon. So it will now change the directory from C to E. As you can see, I will hit enter. Now here you can see the directory got changed from C to E, because I want to save my project in E directory, and I will create a new folder which will be created by mkdir space. The name of the folder will be theprogrammerbros.web.app. This will be the name of our folder, the programmer guy. Now hit enter, and this folder already exists. Okay, it says the folders already exists, so we gotta delete this folder too. So for deleting, I will tell you one more step, is that first type rm and then space, and then type the name you want to delete. So I will delete it by the the caps doesn't matter here, the PROGGREMERGY. I will hit enter and it's deleted. So when I will create this mkdir, that means that a new folder will be created. So I will type this again, theprogrammergui. Now I hit enter. Here we can see mode, last written time, which is 22/7/2024, 11:23 a.m. and length is not given. The name is the programmer guy. So that's how a folder is created by mkdir and space, the name of the folder you wanna put. So yeah, that's how it's created. Let's maximize it, and now we will type cd, and now we will go to that folder, the folder we just have created, which is the PROGRAMMERGY. Now as you can see, now it's in the directory E, in the folder the programmer guy. Now we will type ls. ls will show the folders, the files we have in this folder. Now we'll hit enter, and it shows nothing. This means we have got none of the file in this directory, in this folder, the programmer guy. You can check it by going to that folder by clicking on this, and here you can see this PC data E, and here you can see we are in the E directory and the programmer guy. And here you can see this PC is of course the basic thing, the root thing, and then let's go back. Then here's the data E. The data doesn't matter, it's just the name of the E directory, which we have here. This E directory name is data, that's why it's showing this, else it's just E directory only. And after E directory, we have the folder, the programmer guy, as you can see, the programmer guy, yeah. And you can see that. And here also we are in here, but now when we type ls, it shows nothing because you can see there is none of the thing here. This folder is empty. Now, if you want to create a new folder, you can just type like I've told you mkdir space something like whatever, yeah. So a new folder have been created, which is whatever, and you can see I haven't even, either you can create a new folder by clicking on this new button, a folder, and it will be created like whatever you name it, like a new folder has been created. So now we want to delete it. You can delete it from here also by clicking on this folder, right click, and then here you can see this dustbin icon, just click on it, it will delete. So the folder is deleted, and here we have only one folder, which is whatever. Now we will type ls and it will show us whatever. As you can see, now we will create more folders, and we don't have to create folder one by one like mkdir space this, then again mkdir space this. We don't have to create folder one by one. Now let's type ls, and we have created 3 folders. We can create multiple folders at once by mkdir. Now don't give any space, just write mkdir and hit enter. Now it's showing you a path 0. Like how many folders you want to create. Like first we will create qwerty, hit enter, then it's asking for another path. You don't have to worry about that, you just write another folder's name qaz, now another one wsx, another one edc. You can create a number of folder, any number of folder like this by giving a new name, tgb, yhn, ujm, ikl, op. So we have created like 9 folders. Now when you're gonna stop, like you're done with the creating your folders, just don't type anything, just hit enter. And now you can see we have created this many folders, 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10. We have created 10 folders. Now when we type ls, we will see all the folders we have in this the programmer guy folder, which we have created on terminal, through terminal. So here we can see we have total number of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. And now I can check it out here. We have 13 items, as you can see on this left bottom. There are 13 items, and we have created it through terminal, and not by right clicking and creating new folder. We have just created it like that. So now all of these folders are gibberish. We don't want to have them, we want to delete them. So for that you can do one thing, that rm then space then edc. So edc is removed, rm space, then let's go for qaz. Now qaz is removed, you can't see it right now, but it is removed. Now rm space tgb, it's removed. Now click now type ls, and here you can see here the edc folder, which is here, it's not here because we have removed it here. Now the qaz is also removed, the tgb is also removed, except those 3. Each folder is there, which you can check here. 10 items still left, and 13 items from of which 13 items from is 3 items we just we deleted. So we still have 10 items left, and you don't have to like remove folder by rm space again and again. You can just do it by rm space dash then r, and then hit enter. Now it's the same thing, it's asking of path 0. Now the first folder you want to delete. So I will go with start with aiddv, enter, ikl, enter, op, enter, qrt, enter, rf3, enter, sjpn, pn. You don't have to go in order, you can just go with whatever, like yhn, then wsx, then ujm. You can type one name, like more than once. It will be counted as once only. Like yhn is here also. On the path 6 there is yhn, and path 9 also there is yhn. That doesn't mean it will delete, but it will just count it once. You can just try it again and again, but like it will delete only once. So after you are done with it, just hit enter, and it will show yhn because it's not couldn't find path E, the programmer guy, yhn, because it's already deleted in the path 6, but after that we have used it in path 9 and path 10, then that's why it's showing that yhn is not deleted, and it's not deleted because it does not exist, because we have already deleted it in path 6. That's how you can control your deleting and creating new folder. Now when we type ls, it just shows only one, which is whatever, and you can check it out here. It's only one folder left, which is whatever, and you can remove it by rm dot whatever, and it's removed. Now type ls, it shows nothing because there's nothing present here. So that's how you can create a new directory and remove a directory however you like advanced, one by one, however you like it. That's how you can do it. Now we are gonna go with Python, so you just have to check if your device have the Python version or not. So for checking it, you just have to type python, wait, why is making some mistakes, Python, and hit enter. It will show you this thing. Either it will show you this thing or it will show Python is not installed, something like that. So here I have Python 3.12.3. This is a version, and you can type this help, copyright credits, a license. For more information, you don't need it. You just have to type Python and it will show you this version numbers. That means Python is installed on your device. If you don't have it, you can just go to, I'll tell ya, just go to browser and type Python. Damn. Here we type Python, and here you can see, let's go with it again, python.org. That's the site. Click on it, and here you will see this download thing. Here you have to come to Python, and then you will see this download thing. Latest version is 3.12.4, and ours is 3.12.3. It's just 0.1 version behind. You can download it through here by click on this Python link, and here you will see. You don't have to go here, just go to the Python. Let's go with it again, Python. We have typed Python, come to this site, and now go to downloads. Just click on this downloads button, and now here you will see download the latest version for Windows, which is 3.12.4, which is we just checked out in the previous tab. So now just click on it, and after clicking on it, it will ask you to which location you want it installed. Then just click on save button and installation will begin. Here we can see. Here we just have installed Python 3.12.4. Now click on show in folder. It will get opened in the folder in which you have installed. So here is my file, Python 3.12.4 amd64.exe. It will get installed automatically according to your system. Like here we have just clicked on this and it will install according to your thing. You don't have to click on like this Windows, you just have to click on this button and it will get installed. So let's cancel it because we have already downloaded it. Now let's go here and now double click on it to open it. Here it shows upgrade to Python because I already have Python on my device, so we just don't have the latest version in this device. So it's asking for upgrade, which I can upgrade. Let's click on upgrade. It's getting upgraded. Click, and if you don't have the Python, it won't show upgrade. It will just show install because you don't have Python on your device. Pre-installed. I had it pre-installed, so I'm just upgrading it to one more higher version, which is 3.12.4. So it will take a little bit of time. It's installing every library for you. Like here you can see the bootstrap was getting installed, and now the path thing, pre-compiling channel library. Here you can see already installed. The setup was successful. If you are installing it for the first time, if you don't have the Python on your device, it might take a little bit of time, but after that, when you are installing just new versions, upgrading it will be done in like a few seconds or minutes or something like that. Now close it and close this thing or whatever. Here we are on the programmer guy, and now let's open the terminal, which is this. Now you have this so much of rubbish stuff here. Just clear it by typing. But wait, when you have typed Python here, you can see before typing the Python word, we had this location like shows here like E directory, then the programmer guy folder. But here you can see this 3 arrows are there, which means that the what is this? Terminal. Yeah, sorry. The terminal is working in the Python mode. That means that whenever you run something like on any line of Python you will run, it will just It's like showing file stdin line 1 column. It's working in a Python base. Now it's not the regular terminal, it's the Python terminal you are using when you like print and write. When you write print and then put a bracket, your bracket, and then semi inverted commas, and then write anything. The programmer guide. Now hit enter. Here you can see the output. This was the wait. It's backspace. Here we type the print and then brackets, curly brackets, and then the programmer guide. And here the output was the programmer guide. But if you type like cd ... it won't work because this is working in Python now and it doesn't know the cd command. So you have to exit this Python thing to work normally, which is exit and then curly brackets, hit enter. Now as you can see here, it again got changed from those three arrows to this directory thing. So now you can work normally by typing cd ... Now it's in the E directory. Now let's go back and go to the again cd the programmer guide. Here we are into this, and let's have ls, which ls not showing anything. It means this folder still don't have anything inside it. So now we have to code in Python. I have already told you this, how to work on this terminal and how to create new things. Before that, let's clear this terminal and clear, hit enter. Whole of it's clear. Now again, that thing. But wait, after writing Python, okay, just write Python and now hit enter. Now you can see before it was showing 3.1.2.3. Now it's showing 3.1.2.4. We have upgraded our version just today, right now. And if you don't have it, you can install it, and after typing Python you will see this Python version here. That means your device now have Python installed on your computer or device. So now you will see these three arrows, which means you are inside the Python interpreter and Python terminal. We have to exit it to work normally. So exit curly brackets exit. Now we are on the folder. We have to create a file in which we can write our Python code. So to create that file, we don't have to write mkdir. No, we don't have to. You just have to write the name for your file, which will be, let's go for, what should we write? The programmer guide, tpgg, and space, and wait. Here first you have to write code. Let's remove it. code, code, space. We have to write tpgg, yep. We have to write code, then space, then tp, whatever name you like, tpgg. Then as we are coding in Python, we have to write put a dot, which will be for extension, and now type py. So we have to write code space your name, whatever you want to put it, .py. That will create a Python file, and hit enter. It will open the VS Code, which is Visual Studio Code. If you don't have installed it on your computer, on your device, just go to your browser. No. Here, just go to your browser, type VS Code, and here you will see this Visual Studio Code. Here, click on it, or you can just download it from here also. Click on download, but go to the site. Here you will see download for Windows. If you have Mac, it will show download for Mac. It can be run everywhere. Now click on this download for Windows, and here it will again show a thing which is like this, where we have installed our Python library, something like that. Now here you just have to click on save button, and it will get installed, and just click on the setup. It will get installed on your device. So I have already installed it, so let's close it and start working on it. Here, this is VS Code. I will show you how it works in some other video, but here we are just trying to learn Python. So here, let's close it once again, and here we are on terminal. So you know how to do that, how to do all the things. Was that if you don't have Python, install the Python thing by, I have told you already. Then type py, thon, hit enter. If this shows Python inversion, that means you have Python installed on your device. Now get exit, Here we are back to the folder and now type code in the folder in which you want to put your Python files. So this the folder. In the E directory I have the folder the programmer guide. In this I want to create my Python files. So I will just type code and tpgg.py, hit enter. It will open the tpgg file .py. You have to include .py to have the Python extension. Here you can see on the top this blue color icon. This is the icon for the Python coding, Python programming. That's the symbol for Python programming, so you have to use it. So here you can see the tpgg.py, and when you hover on it, you will see the directory. E directory, the programmer guide folder. In that we have the file tpgg.py. Now here on the left side you can see the symbol, which is the symbol of Python programming, and on the right side you can see this dot. When you hover over it, it shows a cross. We don't have to close it. It just shows a dot, a white color dot. You have to first save it. Not put Control S to save the file. You have to hold Control and then S. That's how you can save. Control plus S, you will save this file. Now it's not showing this white dot. When you again make some changes, it's again showing white dot because it's not saved. When you again do Control plus S, it's now saved, so it's not showing white dot. White dot means it's not saved. You have to Control plus S to save it.
Mille pattes, jou jou jou, jou jou jou. Mille pattes, ach, kussen, yum yum yum.